How did I get married? Guys, whoa, my didi. Let me talk a little about how I got married. Yo, guys, all I mean that the advantage I think about me, not the advantage. The only good sides about my bad decisions ne? I've been a main chick, main girlfriend. I've been a side chick. I have been a cheater. I have been loyal. Okay, loyalty is like 70% of the time, right? I've been married. I've been divorced. I've been ingodu so. Yes. So we are the team kaya so nabankhaya. I've done it all. Ingaze phela selohlalayo phela. Selozofuna ukuhlala through thick and thin. But asikho lapha. Okay, so about how I got married, right? Listen. Kanjalo umyutsho mina. Hayi utsho umuntu wayengidina guys. No, wayengandini. I loved him. That's the thing. Ubengubuhlali wami guys. I love that man, yabo. Noma people shit akade yenza guys being understand that I was in love with this man. And he was gorgeous, he was beautiful. And I thought I could never do better. That's another thing. I thought I could have never done better. I thought what in zomthatha omunye umuntu oyi-drop dead gorgeous age so. Sijule lo guy goes out of town, ne? Uguy ahambe boma 16 months. Uguy nahambe wathi uyabuya 3 months late. Uguy ahambe 16 months. Uguy sehambile khona phana baby as umuntu obehlala because this is how I know ukuthi abantu this is how I understand how to stay in very toxic and like abusive relationship. Yabulokhu umuntu okhona yabolokhu kunika ngama half baked love, half baked truth into ezinjalo so wayengenza njalo no love ngiyabuya this month imali yenze so love ngenza so and amadoda ngama grand gesture at grand gesture kuthumela into inkala kathi into engiyithanda it's gonna keep me quiet for 2 months then ngizohlupha futhi again 16 months ukaya phana yazi sengiyathi alright let me come and visit you uguy indaba yakhe ayikho and everything ngizozotha usehlala ndobani lo mfazi khona ngale ikho ngafuna ukubuya ikho ngafuna nangibuye look like vele kahle kahle phela plan nalonga sengiyabuza ethi kimona ukuthi unavele ngikuthanda very quickly inkinga ukuthi abangikhaya bafuna ukuthi ngithanda lo muntu wenkonzo yami in but yakwazi ukuthi lo vele ngizomyala because wena you are the one ukhaya believe but as much as I believe sengihate it yabona into that's the ukuthi nani it's not like thina abonents ne we stay emjelweni ngoba stupid or ngoba sazi ukuthi umuntu uyasiqhambula amanga no we stay because of love. We can see the lies, we can see the manipulation, we can see the toxicity, but yes, the power of love into enkalakazi you believe ukuthi if I can love someone enough uzoba sharp. Anyway, when bengikhuluma the other day ngathi ukunowa you worth so mdala is a bit too late so lami ngayidiscover so late ukuthi yasithini even if you love someone how much if the love should come from him. Anyway, idlule indaba yimi ke ngela ngihambela lapha phandle doing my own life things jiggy do with who omunye drop dead gorgeous hey wena drop dead gorgeous lo yazi in a space of 2 weeks drop dead gorgeous wayesengisanganisa ikhanda. And at that point, do you know my friends have been telling me this past couple of weeks but Kai instead of the only way to get over somebody is by getting under somebody. But I think I'm too old to be doing that shit. Like I really can't. Angisafuni ngangwenza lokho ngimncane manje angisafuni mina ngimene okay ngizele body count for no reason. I mean I want to get my body count for good reasons. You understand? So at that point it was true and it worked. I need ukuthi wena yenza but I mean I'm throwing it. Ukuthi uyayikhetha or uyayeka. Anyway, look, that guy's relationship was nice. That guy's understanding, he's loving, he's everything that I want to ban utropted gorgeous wangale to be. You understand? I mean, really since I'm look, I'm not so serious. I guide him, will you marry me? Let me yes. I need to kind of stay in very bad decisions. Okay, I do guide will you marry me? Yes, God very willing do it. Yeah, well, life is an idea. Life is an like the world is my oyster. But even though I agree, yes, baby, I'll marry you. Okay, sharp. My loyalist wasn't pulling my leg. Guy was serious. We went all the way. Mind you, I'm still texting that guy every morning, babe. Evening, babe. I mean, like I said, I'm because of busy. He's thinking what to bullshit. I mean, like I was what to happen. I mean, lie. Yes, but I'm proud of myself at that moment. No, but I feel like I'm to a certain extent. I'm really proud of myself. Anyway, I see pull up. Me shot me, right? You know, to celebrate her families are happy, senzan. Look how you post and block ever. Main nigga ku-status ngiblock main nigga mina ngishada lo side nigga ngapha hayi bo even lo side nigga ngitshena ngathi nakulo main nigga uside nigga wathi manje mina ngizoba ngo-husband ngathi bangena wena side nigga love men with ambition hayi wena ngitshade-ke mina sifuna fana sokumnandi soku-right siyakhuluma phela lo main nigga but asakhulumisani kahle because angithi mina ukasabambe ngale lami ngapho I'm acting cold yena ucabanga ukuthi mina ngiqandiswa ukuthi I want him to come here azothi kimi ngenye ilanga love mina yes love athi kimi I'm booking ama-tickets ukuthi ubuye wena this side ngathi ngehlise ibhuza yami I can't wathi ngithi ngiyasebenza wathi I can't ngathi I can't ngathi I can't I think when upon at that point that's when he started suspecting because ukhaya never says no to a man ukhaya ngandoda ngathi khaya keep ijacket uningi yimi yebo baba indoda ngathi khaya ngicela inyama yakho thatha baba manje kuze indoda sisithi khaya bambisela sami khaya athi no khonto off kukhona into i-off sharp I think I investigate. I use the WhatsApp message, congratulations on your nuptials. But funny enough, the week before, when him text him, we need to talk. What I'm busy. Sure, I am. Give me congratulations on your nuptials. I reply, thank you. Obviously, you could have told me. I highlighted message last week. We need to talk. We need to talk when I'm what to busy. So la ngesikhathi lapha ngithi we need to talk to busy la ngasuka ngachata fast befuna ukuthi ngutshele fast ngakahambi uyachata khona manje yo guy wanyanyelwana yabona wangithuka ugayilwana wangithuka uguy and uguy yena you couldn't travel ukuthi abezombona he traveled after not ukuthi uzothi kimi I'm fighting for my life no ukuzondithuka face to face nyama to nyama man to man ukuthi angithuke live wangithuka uguy uyangithuka mina ngiyamtshela ngithi guy ngicela ungathi uyashesha ukungithuka mina my husband is waiting for me angimtshela ukuthi ngiza lapha otherwise ngamfuna manje azudate uyangitshela ngathi hayi wena uthe uhlala umfazi wakho lami angeke ngezwe ngawo angizonga ngathi lami ngizwe ngabasiki bebunda la uzwe ngabasiki bebunda so it's up to you do we continue the relationship or say wathi nakajola abafazi bashadile ngathi sure njayami sure yabona sometimes nama ngicabanga ukuthi bake bangenza ngabe bafana le but I mean I love ukuthi lami ngile potential man yokuba ngisukhona lo ngamisa bayibona ipicture yami lapha ibona khona nithemba ukhafula phansi ukuthi yazi ukaza nalwana uNkulunkulu amshayise ngombani ngoba ngeke